Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 1. Let's start off by talking about what is due this week. You have the Unit 1 ratio and proportions piece in ALEKS that needs to be completed with an 85% or above. This means that 85% of your Unit 1 Pi needs to be mastered by Sunday night. When we get to the ALEKS portion of this video, I will show you this more in detail. In order to master this material in 6 to 7 days, you need to be spending at least 5 hours a week in ALEKS. My suggestion would be to work at least 1 hour per day so you can have plenty of time to get this done. In addition to your work in ALEKS, you have 2 discussion questions to do. Your initial post for Lesson 1A is due by Wednesday night, and your initial post for Lesson 1B is due by Friday night. Please remember that you have 3 peer responses that you need to do in each forum, and those will be due by Sunday night. It's really important to check and print out the due dates when you first log into class. You can find the due dates in your announcements. As I stated in the welcome video, please remember that the ALEKS portion, the homework and the tests, are a large percentage of your grade, where the discussions are not worth as much. This is different from some of the other online courses you might have taken. Let's go into ALEKS now to explore where you can find things. Once you log into the ALEKS program for the first time, you'll be walked through a tutorial. As you can see, I'm already past this point. You will see where the menu button is, which is right up here in the top left-hand corner, the 3 lines. And you will also be told where you can find the notifications, which is this little bell right here in the upper right-hand corner. There's also a blue bar or green bar, different colors in different computers, on the left-hand side of the screen that always tells you what to do next. Before you get started, I'm a little bit past this point, your first task when you log in will be to take the tools tutorial. This is important to take because you will need to see how the tools work and how they are needed to enter in your answers. After the tutorial, you're going to be taking an initial assessment. The assessment is usually around 20 to 30 questions. Try and do your best because your results will place you into a path that is best for you, as I explained in the welcome video. You are only going to be asked to go over topics that you need to learn and not what you already know and have mastered. Everyone in this class will be working on a different path, but you will all be covering the same material. I have taken the initial assessment. As you can see, I've mastered some material. This is the material. You can tell by looking at my pie, the color bars represent what I've mastered, and the gray bars represent what I need to learn. You'll see many hints throughout the program to help you, as you can see. So different things will pop up at different times. When you log in, you'll see Continue My Path. You would like to click on that and continue on your journey in this class. Here they'll give you problems that you'll do and you'll keep working on these. You can hit the explanation button if you need help. After you enter in the answer, click check to see if it's right or wrong. Up here in the upper left-hand corner is your menu. This is where you can find different things. If you want to see how much you've mastered so far, you can click on your gradebook. And if you'll notice right here, I put Unit 1 ratios and proportions. I've completed 11% so far. That means that I still have 74% left to go. It will also tell you what your scores are on your unit tests. I took my first unit test and I got a 0. You can also use your reports, which is another place where you can see where you're doing in the Unit 1 ratios and proportions. So here it is. It will tell me that I'm doing 11% so far. I can click on View Full Report, and that will tell me where I am for all the units. Once you've mastered 85%, it will unlock the topics that you need to learn in your Unit 2 Pi. If you'll notice, my Unit 2 Pi is locked, and my Unit 3 and my Unit 4, because I have not yet mastered 85%. When you took the assessment, you might have mastered some of the topics in each Pi. If you see here, I haven't mastered anything, so I mastered 1 out of the 23 topics. So when I start Unit 2, I'll only have to complete 22 out of the 23 topics. Okay, this tells you how many remaining that you have. Right here, I mastered 1 when I took the assessment, and I only have 24 topics left to go. The way you check what percentage you are in your pie, as I explained before, again, it's in the menu. You can either hit Gradebook, and it tells you right here, or you can hit Reports, and you'll see it right here. When you've mastered the material of 85%, then you are ready to take your Unit 1 tests. Please do not wait until late at night when you are too tired to take this, or at a time where you're going to feel rushed. Set up a schedule on Saturday or Sunday that allows you 1 to 2 hours of time to get this done. Please try and take the Unit 1 test after you've mastered the 85% of your Unit 1 pie. Mastering the material means you are ready to take the test and show what you know. You can find the test up here under Menu and then under Assignments. And you'll see right here is a list of all your tests. After you're done the test, you can look at your mistakes right away, or you can go back and just click right here on this score to view your results at a later time. And that's it for now for Unit 1. Before you start Unit 2, please watch my video in the announcements. Good luck, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions.